Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm putting together a boutonniere and matching corsage, and I found these sweet little roses on clearance at Hobby Lobby in their his and hers section, which is geared mostly towards wedding stuff. I've used these before, but I think they are made specifically for boutonnieres and corsages, although I have used them in bouquets before. But they are perfect because you don't have to wire up the rose. There's no worry that the head's going to pop off. It's on there nice and tight, no extra work for you. So I use an old, not old, but it was a leftover leaf from an actual bushel of roses as my backdrop. And I just worked my little sweet peach colored rose there and alongside of it. Just kind of set it right into the three leaves of the rose leaf there. And then to give it a little bit of extra pizzazz, I had some artificial lily grass that I just bent over a couple loops. That I did wire. And then I just connected everything with some wax floral tape in kind of a darker green color. The floral tape comes in all different kinds of colors too. And I'll put a link in the descriptions if you're looking for some wax floral tape. I usually get mine on Amazon, and I'll put that right in the descriptions there for you. So for the corsage, I did wire the roses. I like the ability to bend them in the direction that I want. I probably should have used a little thicker gauge wire. I would do like a 22 gauge wire on that, just so you can bend them. So you got one facing you and maybe one like kind of cascading back. It's just nice to have that ability. It's not necessary though. The stem that this collection gives you is long enough to work with. So I just kind of gathered my three roses. I wanted to kind of do more of a line type of configuration rather than a circle. And then I used, again, another rose leaf from a different rose bush there. In their his and hers collection, they do have individual leaves used for corsages and boutonnieres, which I also tucked underneath there. So there's about 5 leaves in total, 3 from the one leaf from the rose bush, and then a couple more from the his and hers collection there. And those leaves are wired up, so you can bend those too. And then I just did a little 3-loop bow. This is a number 9 bow. I like the bigger bows if I don't have a whole lot going on with the corsage. Just kind of gives it an extra little pizzazz. If I had baby's breath in there, I might have used a thinner ribbon. And then I did wire the ribbon, and I just tape everything together with my wax floral tape, and then I'm going to trim it back, and then I tape it once more just to make sure no pokies are sticking out, and I got a nice clean end there, and then cut the tails of my ribbon and add a few pins, and you're all set. So you got a boutonniere and a corsage. Thank you so much for watching.